With Americans spending more time at home, home can feel a little more crowded. So how can you create more space? Try going tiny.
Bantam Built has been building tiny homes for 5 years, and now they're building backyard accessory dwellings, which are surging in popularity in recent months.
I thought I was the only one looking for a little office outside the house, but I'm not. Apparently, this is very popular, and joining us now is Bob Clarizio. He's founder and CEO of INshed by Bantam Built. So, Bob, this is a very popular idea, huh? Everybody's looking for a little tiny house or office out back?
Yeah, so for the last 5 years of designing small spaces, this right here is our traditional kind of tiny house on wheels. But in the last couple of months, with so many people working from home and pools being very popular, we decided to create some other models. So over here you have your bunkhouse, maybe you know, a place for the kids to have a sleepover or just hang out in the backyard. We've got our pool house here. This is an interesting product in the fact that it is completely off the grid. So even though it has a full bathroom and shower and so forth, somebody could put this in their backyard and just has a shed permit and wouldn't have to run any plumbing or anything to the backyard. So maybe somebody who is not used to having a pool, they can have a nice place for people not to bring water inside the house. In here, we have our backyard office, which has become extremely popular.
Wow.
That right there is what I need, guys.
Wow, Bob. Bob, I am a tiny home enthusiast. I love tiny homes. I'm dying to get one. I'm hearing that some of these tiny homes are powered by Alexa and that you also have ones that are off the grid options. Can you just tell us a little bit about how they work?
Yeah, so, you know, we understand that a lot of people, they've been living in their house a long time. Maybe their systems are outdated. Might be really expensive to have kind of automation and things brought into their home. So we thought it'd be fun to really over-upgrade these offices and really want the people that decide to purchase them or use them in their backyard to really invite them to the backyard. You know, get used to using the space and enjoy all the fun functionality. So if I said, hey, Alexa, turn the lights off.
Share the name lights. Which one did you want?
The office lights.
Okay.
And then we turn the lights off. So just fun little things like that. We've got sound systems in here, TVs.
Bob, that's pretty cool. I think a lot of men and women working from home are looking at that at their significant other right now and saying, I think we got space for that in the backyard.
Get out back.
Bob Clarizio, thank you so much. For more info, it's theinshed.com. Theinshed.com. Thank you, Bob. Appreciate it.